Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm very excited about today's video because today we're going to play a game. So my team is going to hand me the makeup products and I have to guess which makeup product it is blindfolded. So let me see how well I know my makeup product. I don't know, I think I'm going to score 10 out of 10. So you guys also keep account how many products I can guess correctly. And guys, if I can't guess the product right, then I am going to do a giveaway with those products. Yay! And I just decided it right now. So let's go ahead and play this game. If you watch my videos, you know that I love Aqualogica sunscreens. And now they're available in a super convenient stick format. Introducing Aqualogica's newly launched Glow Plus Dewy Sun Stick, best for reapplication of sunscreen throughout the day. This is lightweight, non-greasy and leaves no white cast. Because of its oval shape, it easily covers areas like under the eyes and nose corners. It has SPF 50, PA++++, broad spectrum protection and completely fragrance free. Aqualogica is a vegan, cruelty free and clean brand. With each purchase made through their website, you help someone in need to gain access to clean drinking water. These products are also available on Nykaa, Amazon and Flipkart. Use the code SUSH2023 for a 20% discount only on aqualogica.in. Check the links in the description. So I am gonna put my Cats Have Dreams 2 blindfold on. I'm not a cat person, guys. I'm so like a dog person. I love dogs, but please no cats for me. A kitten scratched me and I was cuddling that kitten. Okay, I was really loving it and I was like, okay, this is so cute. And then all of a sudden, in a fraction of a second, it just scratched my hand. And I was like, what the hell just happened? Yes, I'm ready. Okay.
It goes.
It feels like it's an eyeshadow palette. What do you... Oh. It's the NYX eyeshadow palette. Is it? Yay! I got this right. I knew it how, you know, it just clicks. Yeah, that's how I know it. Yeah, you can feel the embossed thing, so that's how I know. Next product. Oh, I know this. Can I feel it? This is the Laneige lip balm, lip mask.
Okay, open it and check.
It's got to be the Laneige. I know it, 100%. I got this one right also. I use it every single day. How will I not know? Ready. Ready. This feels like a liquid lipstick. It's embossed right here. So I'll say this one is... Can I smell? Yes or no?
No.
Okay. I think this is the Lime Crime liquid lipstick. I don't know which shade though, but because it's embossed right here, I think it's the Lime Crime liquid lipstick. I knew it! 3 out of 3. I'm ready for the next one. This is a loose powder. Is this a loose powder? Yes, this is a loose powder and I exactly know what this is. It's got a sponge inside. Yes, it's the sugar loose powder. It's white in color. And yeah, right? Yay! Oh my god, I can't believe how good I am at this. 4 out of 4. And guys, I swear I'm not cheating, okay? Let's do another one. What can it be? It's not the Neutrogena one because Neutrogena is like straight. It's got a curve. Have you used it before?
Yes, you have.
I think I know what this is. but I'm kind of forgetting the name. I think I use it. Shit. Oh god. I know this.
You got 10 seconds.
Oh no! Don't put me in that pressure zone. This one is. Wait, hold on. What else do I use? Is this the Estee Lauder moisturizer? The Estee Lauder moisturizer?
Check if you...
Oh! Oh my god! I can't believe it. It is the Estee Lauder moisturizer, guys. Yes, next product, please. Yes, I am ready. Oh, this is the easiest one because of the emboss thing. It's the Maybelline Vinyl Ink Liquid Lipsticks. I don't know which color though, but it is. It's right here. No, I can't guess. How will I guess the color? I know it's Maybelline Vinyl Liquid Lipstick. Can I open this? Yeah. Super easy. Okay, next one, please. Huh? What is this? What? What? I don't know what this is. It's got to be some... Hey, I know it. It feels like it is like a micellar water kind of a thing, like makeup remover or something, but can't guess it. It's not Garnier micellar water because it's got a different shape. I actually don't know what that is. It sounds like it's a makeup remover. I don't know, I give up. Hey, it's not a makeup product. It's cheating, right, guys? This is not a makeup product. It's Renu from Bausch & Lomb. It's like a contact lens thing. Hey, it's not a makeup product, but this is cheating. Guys, let me know in the comment section, should I even consider this? Or is this cheating by my team? Yeah, ready? Oh, I know what this is. Yeah, it twists and it opens. It's the Smashbox primer, matte primer. It's a Smashbox matte primer, the silver and the, I don't remember the other color, but it's silver at the bottom, and it's shiny and it opens like that. Yes, it's the Smashbox primer. Yeah. Okay, another one, please. Okay. Ah, this is, how can I get it wrong? This is my Zara perfume. Because of the shape, you know, it's like this. It's my favorite. It's from Zara and it's called Fashionably London.
You're wrong.
What? Of course I'm right. I know my perfume. I love it. Ah, it's so good.
Okay.
But then ideally that is also not a makeup product, huh? Definitely an eyeshadow palette. Wait. I think I might get it wrong this time. Oh, I don't see anything embossed also. Oh, no. I know what this is. Can I feel it, please? Can I feel it? Can I feel it?
The product?
Yeah. Come on, I just can't guess with this. I know the click. Okay, I got it from the click. But I need to feel it also.
Yep.
Can I feel?
Yep.
Oh, this is not an eyeshadow palette. I think it's the blush. It's the Nykaa Cheeky Duo Blush Palette. It's a Nykaa Cheeky Duo Blush Palette.
Excellent.
It felt like an eyeshadow palette because of the box, but then I could get it from the click. Right, I'm ready for the next one. This is definitely a loose powder, but it's got a little curve right here. I think this one is the Forever 52 loose powder. Forever 52 banana loose powder, I think. It's got to be the Forever 52 banana loose powder. Is it? Can I check? Guys, I swear I'm not cheating. I swear. Give me another one.
Bring it up.
Don't repeat, okay? I know this one. It's the Nykaa anti-pollution, some shield foundation. I know it by the click of it, like how it opens and clicks. It's the foundation by Nykaa. It's the black tube.
Wow.
I think this is like sound therapy because I know what product it is by the sound of it. This is a lipstick. This is a bullet lipstick. I know what this is. This is hold on. This is the Nykaa bullet lipstick. Like there has to be, you know, the golden thing with Nykaa mentioned. It's the Nykaa bullet lipstick. Yeah. Just don't give me anything like Renu and all. I just need it to be a makeup product or a skincare product will also do. It's a compact. I know it's a compact. I know what compact it is. I think I know.
What is it?
But then I'm confused. Is it the K-Beauty Compact? I don't think it's the K-Beauty Compact because it's not embossed everywhere. It's only embossed here and then it's blank here. So there's something mentioned here. It can also be the Nykaa Super Matte. Well, let me guess one wrong at least. Is it the K-Beauty Compact?
Open and check.
I think I got it wrong. Kiro. Good. So guys, the first thing I got wrong is the Kiro Glow On Blush Duo. I love this, by the way. What is this? What? Huh? This is weird. Can I smell?
No.
I can't smell.
No.
I can feel, right?
Yes, you can.
Yeah. Okay, this is a stick foundation. Yes, it's got to be it can also be a highlighter, stick highlighter. But I guess this is a stick foundation. And the brand, I am not too sure. I give up on this. I don't think I know what this is.
That's it. Time's up.
No, time's up. Okay, I give up. I don't know this. Ah, it's a highlighter. See, I told you it might also be a highlighter. That means I haven't used this product much. It smells nice. Okay, one more. I am ready. It's a compact. It's a compact, I think. It does not even open or what? Is it sealed? It's got to be sealed.
No, let me see. Let's see.
I told you it's sealed because I could not open it. I think you gave me another version of that which was an opened one. Like, what is this? It's a compact. It's a compact? Yeah, it is a compact. It's got to be a Maybelline compact. No. I know. It's Lakme. It's a Lakme compact. Oh shit, I'm so confused right now. Oh shit. But I know what this is. I've used it. I think I'm gonna get it wrong. Anyways, so it's like, is it transparent on top? It seems like I've used it so much because there's a dent. It's got to be. I know. Buy this. It's the Maybelline Fit Me compact. Can I open it? Ah! I just knew it because of this sticker. This one right here. Not bad at all. How many did we get wrong? Alright guys, so I got 13 out of 15 correct. So that was so much fun. Just comment down below if you want to see more such videos. I had so much fun. So check the description box for the rules of the giveaway. I'm gonna give those 2 products away and maybe I'll throw in some more surprises, who knows. I don't know if this should be considered in this game. I don't think so. Guys, again, do check the description box and the comment section for the rules of the giveaway, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.